trying to capture a bird that's in a fireplace. Now, how we're going to do it, which you'll see, which I don't really know how we're going to do it. All I'm really going to do it is shine the flashlights, and then the bird will come out of there, and then we'll just take it outside, or maybe, and then it'll just fly out. And now I shall do a little bit of my Oompa Loompa dance.
It always flies upward.
Yeah. I'm going for it. I'm going for it.
Wait,
Ellie, where is it?
Yep.
Scalpel.
Oh no, he's flying around now.
Watch out.
You'd be scared.
Scared.
Alright, systems go.
Got it open. Ellie, you're in charge of the flashlight down here.
You gotta be quiet, they said.
Who's they?
Ellie, while we're waiting, why don't you give us a little? Hold it. We have a problem. What? We didn't plan for how we close the door.
Here's one.
He's stuck with us. Oh, it's still in there. We need to break Charlie. Okay. Ellie, come back. No. Pull up a bird noise on your phone.
Do the tweet one. The Twitter one.
Robinson.
Or. Watch out, there's a train coming. Get in there quick. Hey, what are you doing? Oh, yeah. In case it's
He just wants some sandwich.
in case it's an eagle.
Well, that's going to be perfect.
For God's sake.
Forget of it. We had a common. No, shh. Get the door
He's
shut.
in.
Put him to sleep. Stop. Put him to sleep.
Get this out of here now.
There's always because I put this in there. No,
Okay, Ellie,
stay
get
out.
the stuff out of the way. Get the flashlight out of the way.
Get the flashlight.
I can't get it in because we gotta slide it towards you some.
No, slide towards you.
No, the handle's here. I can't. No, slide it to you.
Hurry before he goes back. We can't.
You know where he can go. We close the.
Right.
Okay, we're going to a short break to sell some Oompa Loompa bars from Wonka bars. What? Slide it from the top. Yeah.
Slide it in.
But the handles are shh. We're calling the hook here. We're calling the
Hurry.
Hurry, you're scaring him.
Your toes. We've done it.
You did it.
No, you just got one side.
Slide it back to base. Bottom back. Come on.
Ellie, you're going to need to get out of the way.
Alright, Cliffa.
Oh god, I just exposed it. This lid. This isn't the right lid.
Jenny, you got the wrong lid!
Oh my god.
No, tip it. Just tip it.
Hold on.
Just tip it and push it down. It's going nowhere. Don't expose
the right
it.
lid.
Come on. It's the right
Don't
lid.
drop it.
Still in
Here,
there?
here's the door.
Is the bird still in there?
Bring it to the door.
Yeah, it is.
Here, wait, hold it.
Flip it.
Just lock it.
Hey, little friend.
That's some great jelly.
Yeah.
Oh. Bye-bye, birdie.
Bye, Birdie. They don't make a movie about that. Come on, we can be out here for the release. Make sure the windows are closed.
Yeah. Make sure the door's shut before we.
Yeah, make sure the door's shut before.
Ellie, you'll have to do your celebratory dance.
First of all, I want to see if my clue's open.
Let him get some grape jelly first.
Hope there's not a.
He deserves a treat.
I'm releasing.
Release
Oh
the
no!
He's still in there.
Yeah,
He likes it.
Maybe it's her.
no, he's not.
No.
Tip it over.
Release.
He likes
He
the
just,
jelly.
I think.
Go do a dance for
Go
us.
see your friends.
Go do a dance, Ellie.
Look at it swing. Does it hurt, you think?
No.
Hey, Dad. What are
The
you
jelly's
doing?
gonna hurt him. Be careful.
Don't put him up high.
I think he's gonna go in the tree.
Are you gonna put him in the tree?
Oh, it's gonna fall over.